Karangu nejewe India. I know you are in India, but you did wrong. You betrayed Betty Bayo. Mwena garuya na guisho irathire kuharwo. Muramwita muthuri ucio nigetha monani mwenake. You betrayed Betty, and you know that murakuthirwo gudiada mulimenyo mugakua tanye muga ni Karangu gakua digaita tiri gaita mahiga. You know Karangu, pray gakua bere yaku. Pray that todo gakua bere yakwa gaita mahiga. Todo I know you than these Facebook women know you. You are a very at me a Facebook ni meka wolu kwa liama wano wa shaga mwika wolu muno leuli wakafu ni arakua alayo besha nyina wakafu alache kithika dreiro besha muli betray wakahafu. Yes, you betrayed wakahafu. You betrayed Betty Bayo. Kana juge shadini kana dikauke dikwenda gutuika abanya ndogera maundu macio dikwenda tutikarie. But you betrayed her, and you know you betrayed her. Arume gui arumenye murokwa India okumwathi murokwa kwo mwituaga muhenagia atumia Facebook ati turiega. You people are so muleshi olumuno. You people are so nani kama mako kwa Facebook daka natumire Karangu kindu ndaguthaitha tudurete kuhetaithia turi muratongia mundu nani mugigakua kuidia igaikia mahiga wakafuriri kanyu. I don't like to pretend. I don't know how to get keep. I'm very honest. Mugigakua asa James gaikia mahiga kafuri ogwo mahiga ogwo todo mukorago adori muno, and you take advantage of our mothers, and I hate it so much. Hey that idea ono kamuno kwaja kireba ke ukyo heitina igitumia nakyo kiratira insist, you know, don't show me. Okay, decline, don't show. None mekaga uru did you know na jero thiga. Honestly, I'm very happy. I'm okay. Jero thiga mpeto sedisi. No mundu mugi tohiga urore tohiga uhuguje maundu mathinie ndikumwira maundu mathinie no uhiga atumia itu, especially our mothers, you fall for pretty nonsense. The things akina Kawira wanatufanyanga hapa ndio watu wa Facebook wanafanya.